Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best mosquito traps of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best mosquito traps of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The GOOTOP Bug Zapper Outdoor is a powerful and reliable solution for keeping your space free from flying insects. Designed with a 3-prong plug-in system and compatible with 90 130V outlets, this electric mosquito and fly zapper delivers consistent performance both indoors and outdoors. Its high-intensity UV light effectively attracts mosquitoes, moths, gnats, and other flying pests, guiding them into a robust electric grid that ensures quick elimination. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, the GOOTOP Bug Zapper is perfect for patios, gardens, balconies, and garages. The protective housing ensures safety while allowing insects to enter freely. With its quiet operation and hassle-free setup, it's an ideal choice for families looking to enjoy peaceful, bug-free evenings. Easy to clean and low maintenance, this mosquito killer provides long-lasting protection, making it a dependable addition to your home or outdoor living area. Stay comfortable and pest-free with GOOTOP. Number 2. Keep your home and outdoor spaces comfortably pest-free with the YISSVIC Bug Zapper, designed for powerful and reliable mosquito and fly control. Equipped with an impressive 4200V high-voltage electric grid, this bug zapper instantly eliminates flying insects such as mosquitoes, flies, moths, and gnats, helping you enjoy a cleaner, more relaxing environment. Built with durability in mind, its waterproof design makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, including patios, courtyards, gardens, and home interiors. The plug-in setup ensures continuous, energy-efficient operation, while the protective housing keeps the device safe for everyday use. The YISSVIC Bug Zapper features a 360-degree UV light attraction system, drawing insects from all directions and providing wide coverage protection. Whether you're working in the office, relaxing at home, or hosting outdoor gatherings, this electric mosquito lamp offers an effective, low-maintenance solution for maintaining a comfortable, insect-free space. Number 3. The Flowtron Electric Bug Zapper delivers powerful, reliable outdoor insect control for spaces up to 2 acres, making it ideal for backyards, gardens, patios, and outdoor events. Featuring a dual lure method, it combines a high-intensity 120W UV light with an Octenol attractant to draw flies, mosquitoes, and other flying pests with maximum efficiency. Once insects are attracted, the unit's 5600-volt killing grid eliminates them instantly, providing continuous protection without the use of harmful chemicals or messy sprays. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, this bug zapper is designed for long-lasting outdoor performance. Its open grid design helps prevent clogging while ensuring consistent operation throughout the evening. Easy to install and low maintenance, the Flowtron Bug Zapper offers a clean, effective, and eco-friendly solution for enjoying bug-free outdoor living. Keep your space comfortable, safe, and pest-free all season long. Number 4. Keep your outdoor spaces comfortable and insect-free with the LUOJIBIE Bug Zapper Outdoor. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this powerful mosquito zapper uses high-intensity LED light to attract mosquitoes, flies, moths, and other unwanted insects. Once drawn in, pests are quickly eliminated by the strong electric grid, providing effective protection for your patio, yard, garden, or home. This plug-in mosquito killer is built with durable, weather-resistant materials, making it ideal for year-round outdoor use. Its quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment while you relax, host gatherings, or enjoy evenings outside. The protective housing prevents accidental contact, making it safe for everyday use. Easy to clean and simple to maintain, the LUOJIBIE Insect Zapper offers reliable, chemical-free pest control. Just plug it in and let it work effortlessly to keep your surroundings more enjoyable, comfortable, and bug-free. Number 5. Keep your outdoor spaces comfortable and bite-free with the 2-in-1 portable bug zapper outdoor. Designed with convenience and power in mind, this mosquito zapper features a high-capacity 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, giving you long-lasting protection during camping trips, backyard gatherings, and evening relaxation. The 4000 V high voltage grid quickly and effectively eliminates mosquitoes, flies, and other flying pests, helping you enjoy the outdoors without distractions. This device also doubles as an LED nightlight, offering soft illumination for tents, patios, and pathways. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, hang, or place anywhere you need it. With durable, weather-resistant construction, it's built to withstand outdoor conditions season after season. Perfect for travel, home use, or outdoor adventures, this bug zapper delivers reliable, chemical-free pest control wherever you go. Stay protected and enjoy peaceful nights outside, effortlessly.